day, a son asked his father, "Father, what is my life worth?" His father gave him a stone and said, "My son, if you want to know the value of your life, take this stone and go to the market. If someone asks you for the price, stay quiet and hold up the finger." The boy followed his father's instruction and went to the market. After the same time, an old woman approached him and asked how much the stone worth. The boy remained silent and raised the finger. The woman said, $2, and tried to pay. Startled, the boy ran to his father and shared the incident, expressing that an old woman in the market offered $2 for the stone. The father replied, "Son, now I want you to go to the museum. If someone asks for the price, stay quiet and hold up two fingers." The son took the stone to the museum. After about 20 minutes, a middle-aged man in a suit and tie approached the boy. "Sir, how much the stone worth?" Once again, the boy remained silent and held up the finger. The man said, $2, I will pay for it." Fearful, the boy rushed home to his father, informing him that the man at the museum wanted to buy the stone for $2. The father then instructed his son to go to the stone market. Excitedly, the son ran to the market, found a stone shop, and walked in. An old man stood behind the counter. When he saw the stone, he jumped up and exclaimed, "My God, I have been looking for this stone all my life. What do you want for it? How much does it cost?" The boy wordlessly held up two fingers. The old man offered $20 for the stone, leaving the boy in disbelief. He hurriedly returned to his father, exclaiming, "Dad, the old man offered me $20,000 for the stone." With a smile, the father replied, "Look, son, someone who knows the value of a stone has offered you the highest amount because he recognized its true worth. The same applies to your life. You determine its value. You can choose to be a $2 rock or a $20,000 rock. You hold the power to decide the worth of your own life. Remember, there are loved ones for whom you mean everything, and there are others who may treat you as a commodity, not realizing your true value.